Hi guys, how are you? I gotta go freaking kayaking. Could you believe I gotta be out of the store? Look, you can see my campground from the visitor station. You can see it. You guys, it's so nice out here. These waves, me and Becca are just like going, we're fun. It's fun. I'm fishing. I got some baby oil on. I'm gonna fry my ass off. Let's see how many fish I could catch today. I've gotten a few bites. That was a white bass. Let's see what else I catch. Okay, bye. There's all kinds of fishes out here, but we gotta go. We can't be very close to these buoys. Oh, there's one right there. Do you guys see him? You guys can't see him. Okay, I'm gonna fish. There was a duck, but he went under. Let's see where he comes up at. He was just right in front of me. I've caught 2 fish. They could stay underwater for up to 14 seconds, is what I was told. I didn't think anybody was supposed to go out past those buoys, and that jet skier was out there doing something. I don't know what he was doing. Huh, I don't know where that duck went. She's probably behind me. Let's see. No duck. It was really wavy when me and Becca were out here earlier. But I'm gonna troll while I'm fishing. Oh.
I tried to take a fucking picture and I don't think my phone took the damn picture.
Oh. Let me see. Let me see. Thanks. So pretty. We got all the way across the lake. Not all the way across, but if we wanted to, we could. That looks pretty with you in the back, with the sun in the background. It's taking a selfie again. Oh, you fucking piece of shit, really? Is he still on?
No. Still got your bait this time? He's a little more gnawed up.
Really? So that has to be a cat, the way it was fighting. You guys, I got a little sunburned. Like just this half of my legs. This side, I don't know why I can't suntan or burn this side, but my arms got burned.